Want to create a visually appealing progress chart in Excel in minutes? Let's dive right into this simple yet powerful technique to showcase your task progress effectively. Today we're going to learn how to create a progress chart in Excel that visually tracks completed and remaining tasks. You can see an example on my screen. This is what we'll build step by step. To start, I have a task called feedback requests with 100 total tasks. Out of these, 80 are completed and 20 remain, making 80% progress. To display this on a chart, first we have to calculate the percentage. Divide the completed tasks, which are 80, by the total tasks, which are 100. The result, 80%, represents the progress. Now to insert a donut chart, we have to select all the data from C3 to E3, total tasks, completed tasks, and remaining tasks. Alright. Under the Insert tab, click the Pie or Donut Chart button and choose the Donut Chart option. The chart will show 3 slices representing the total, completed, and remaining tasks. Now let's format the chart. We want to hide the unnecessary slices. So double-click the slice that you want to hide, in our case, is the dark teal color. Go to Format Data Point, and from Series Options, adjust the angle of the slice. Here, I want it to be 90 degrees. Now, the slice moved down from the right side that it was before. Okay, I want to make the specific slide transparent. It's already highlighted, and from the Format tab, use Shape Fill and Shape Outline to set them to No Fill and No Outline for the hidden slice. Nice. Now the slice is invisible. The next step is to make the chart transparent. Click Chart, and from the same menu, set the Shape Fill to No Fill and the Shape Outline to No Outline. The same steps that we followed before. As you can see, if you put any data behind the chart, that will be visible. Now I need to delete this legend. Click on it and press the Delete key. Let's also update this title. Click inside and type Progress Chart. I'll format the text to bold and black and decrease the size a bit. To enhance the visual appeal, the best way is to adjust the colors of the remaining slides of the chart. We can use a gradient or complementary color palette. For example, a dark green for completed tasks and a light green for remaining ones. Let's do it. Click the large slide 2 times to highlight it. No double click. Then from Format tab, Shape Fill, use this dark green color. Do exactly the same for the second slide. And this time use a light green color. Nice! Let's also remove the white outlines between slices by setting Shape Outline to No Outline. Do the same with this slide also. You can see that this white line will be removed. The next step is to add progress indicators, and the best way is by adding text boxes. There is a big fat disclaimer here. You have to ensure that before inserting a text box, you have first to select the chart. The reason is that you have to place the box into the chart, not the Excel window. So if you want to move the chart, the text box will also move along with the donut chart, right? So let's insert text boxes. From Insert tab, click Text Box button. Move somewhere there and type 0%. Let's format it by removing the fill and outline of the text box. Maybe I will decrease the size a little bit. Alright, now select this text box again. Copy and paste it somewhere there. Type 100%. The next step is to display actual progress with another text box. Let's copy and paste this text box one more time. I'll format it by increasing the size and moving it to the center of the chart. So we made a central text box for showing the progress, example 80%, to link it to the percentage cell that we will use in the formula bar. So highlight the text box, go to the formula bar, type equals, and click on cell F3. The color of the font is white because the cell is white, so let's make it black. Great. For better visibility, I will add an effect to my chart. So highlight the first slide, go to Format tab, Shape Effects, Bevel, and select Slant. I'll do the same with this slide also. Now your dynamic progress chart is ready. You can adjust formatting to match your style and make the chart more intuitive. For example, I will decrease the donut hole size to 60%. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Keep learning, and here's to your success in the new year.